Statues have long served as powerful symbols of human creativity, ingenuity, and cultural heritage, embodying the values, beliefs, and aspirations of civilizations throughout history. Among these monumental works of art, there are a select few that stand above the rest, towering over the landscape with awe-inspiring stature and grandeur. In this extensive exploration, we embark on a journey to discover the top 5 tallest statues in the world, delving into their historical significance, architectural marvels, and cultural impact. From the iconic figure of unity in Russia to the serene presence of Laocoon Setkiar in Myanmar, these colossal monuments serve as enduring testaments to the enduring spirit of human achievement and the timeless pursuit of greatness. 1. Spring Temple Buddha, China. The Spring Temple Buddha, located in the Henan province of China, stands as the tallest statue in the world, with a total height of 128 meters, 420 feet, including its 25-meter, 82-foot pedestal. Completed in 2008, this magnificent statue depicts Vairocana Buddha, one of the 5 Dhyani Buddha of Mahayana Buddhism, seated atop a lotus throne, with his right hand raised in the gesture of Vitarka Mudra, symbolizing the transmission of Buddhist teachings. Constructed primarily from copper and steel, the Spring Temple Buddha is adorned with intricate carvings, ornate decorations, and a gilded exterior that glimmers in the sunlight, creating a breathtaking spectacle against the backdrop of the surrounding mountains. 2. Statue of Unity, India. The Statue of Unity, situated in the Indian state of Gujarat, pays homage to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, one of the founding fathers of modern India and a key figure in the country's struggle for independence. Standing at a towering height of 182 meters, 597 feet, this monumental statue surpasses the Spring Temple Buddha to become the tallest statue in the world when measured from its base to the tip of its outstretched arm. Designed by Indian sculptor Ram V. Sutar and inaugurated in 2018, the Statue of Unity depicts Patel clad in traditional Indian attire, with his hand raised in a gesture of unity and resolve. Constructed from bronze panels cast in a foundry in China, the statue rests on a massive concrete base that houses a museum, exhibition hall, and viewing gallery, offering visitors insight into Patel's life, legacy, and contributions to the nation. 3. Laocoon Setkiar, Myanmar. Laocoon Setkiar, located near the town of Monyava in Myanmar, ranks as the 3rd tallest statue in the world, with a height of 116 meters, 381 feet. Completed in 2008, this towering monument depicts the standing figure of Gautama Buddha, the founder of Buddhism, clad in traditional monk's robes and gazing serenely into the distance. Constructed from reinforced concrete and adorned with white paint and gold leaf, Laocoon Setkiar exudes a sense of tranquility and majesty that captivates visitors and pilgrims alike. The statue's name translates to the four-faced Buddha in Burmese, referring to the 4 faces carved into the statue's head, each representing a different aspect of Buddha's teachings: kindness, compassion, sympathetic joy, and equanimity. Surrounding the statue is a sprawling complex of monasteries, pagodas, and gardens, creating a peaceful oasis where visitors can meditate, pray, and contemplate the teachings of Buddhism. 4. Ushiku Daibutsu, Japan. Ushiku Daibutsu, located in Ushiku, Japan, ranks as the 4th tallest statue in the world, with a height of 110 meters, 360 feet. Completed in 1993, this colossal statue depicts Amitabha Buddha, a celestial being associated with infinite light and boundless compassion, seated atop a lotus throne, with his hands forming the gesture of meditation and wisdom. Constructed from bronze and reinforced concrete, Ushiku Daibutsu is adorned with intricate carvings, ornate decorations, and a serene expression that radiates a sense of peace and enlightenment. Visitors to the statue can ascend an internal elevator to a viewing platform located in the Buddha's chest, offering panoramic views of the surrounding countryside and a closer look at the statue's intricate craftsmanship. 5. Emperors Yan and Huang, China. Emperors Yan and Huang, also known as the Yan Huang Zixun statue, stands as the fifth tallest statue in the world, with a height of 106 meters, 348 feet. Located in Zhengzhou, Henan Province, China, this monumental sculpture depicts the legendary emperors Yan Di and Huang Di, revered as the ancestors of Chinese civilization and the progenitors of Han Chinese ethnicity. Completed in 2007, the statue portrays the two emperors standing side by side, with their hands clasped in a gesture of unity and solidarity. Constructed from reinforced concrete and bronze, Emperors Yan and Huang exude a sense of strength, dignity, and cultural pride that resonates with visitors and pilgrims from around the world.